Good afternoon, everybody. What I have before us today is Apple Computer. One of the things that we would like to focus on is that in the very short term, Apple Computer is oversold. The beige line that you see right here, that is a 100-day simple moving average at 106.15. We have come off from a deep sell signal in the start of the year, and I'll be happy to tell you that we had made this very big high early on, that anticipation that Apple was going to do extremely well, and they will. So when we take a look at where this high was relative to where these lows are, is that the highs are right up here at the top. Okay, that was 119.40. Okay, previous yesterday low 104.63. Today we're seeing that recovery, and one of the things that I will emphasize here is that Apple Computer will be posting their earnings, and yes, we will do what? We will cover those earnings like we always have done and will do, and whatnot. What I would like to emphasize is on these daily simple moving averages that have been descending in value. You've got a 10-day simple moving average pointing down. The 20-day simple moving average is also pointing down, and that common denominator for the 20-day is 110. And then the 10-day simple is going to be at also slightly 110.4. So basically I will draw a trend line, and what Apple Computer has to do is work off this negativity. This is where we had a 3-5 day reversal and then found that bottom on that 100-day simple moving average with a daily sell signal in Apple Computer. So basically every move up to this area right here will be the wall of resistance on Apple, and how true it will be. Those moving averages that we're looking at up here is going to be another extreme wall of resistance. Right here on this high bar is just a short-term 3-day trading range that we will have to get up above, and nonetheless, but we have to consolidate, and a consolidation is widely needed in order to break higher up here to this white line. That's a 50-day simple moving average at 111.78. And when that thing, when Apple got below it, we sold off very hard. This is the lower end of that wick right there, where that support level was right below that simple 100-day moving average on the Apple Computer. Here is a weekly chart on Apple Computer. And once again, we're hitting a very critical support level on a weekly chart. We just showed you the daily. The 20-week simple moving average is at 107.1. And yes, I will be happy to say to everyone that the Apple Computer has found that wall of support in the short term on this weekly chart. That means that when we get up here to the 10-week, that's going to be at 112.6, as it will. So basically it found this wall of support where the breakout happened, and we got up above this high and we went straight up to 119. And then we rolled over. And big money players continue to want to own Apple. They continue to believe in the Apple story. They continue to believe in their ecosystem. They continue to believe many things about their product launches and what they're capable of doing. However, we do have that wall of support right here. That's where the breakout happened. It's very important that everyone understand that from a weekly level, that this is the breakout right here, straight up to the top, right there. And when we made that top, and we look at this particular top of that trend line, this was the weekly reversal. It had bounced back, and this diagonal line right here is where we have closed below. And nonetheless, in the very short term, Apple's going to have this wall of resistance up here. And so, for the Apple lovers and who believe in the story, we would recommend that until we can get above 115 on a consolidative ranges, that this is remain the resistance level right below that 115 area on Apple Computer. Good luck with Apple Computer, and we've gone ahead and concluded the fact that on the weekly chart, that 20-week moving average right here is the key area for our traders around the world to understand what this whole trend is on Apple Computer. Stay tuned.